Imagine swimming in the ocean, and something slips into your mouth, attaches to your tongue, and slowly replaces it. Sounds like horror fiction, but in the ocean, it's real. Today we're talking about the infamous tongue-eating parasite, the one that turns a fish's tongue into its own body. But here's the real question. Can this parasite infect humans? This small marine crustacean is one of nature's most disturbing parasites. It enters a fish through the gills, climbs into the mouth, and attaches to the tongue. It feeds on blood until the tongue withers away. Then it does something unbelievable. It becomes the new tongue, a living biological replacement. The fish survives, the parasite feeds, and the cycle continues. But what about us? Let's break this down scientifically. First, habitat. This parasite lives in saltwater environments, mostly warm coastal oceans, and it specifically targets certain fish species. It does not hunt mammals. It does not seek humans. Its entire biology is adapted to fish anatomy, fish gills, fish blood chemistry, and a special tongue structure that fish have but humans don't. We don't have gills, and our mouth structure is completely different. So biologically, we are not a suitable host. There have been extremely rare reports of fishermen finding these parasites in their mouth while handling infected fish. But here's the key detail. The parasite did not infect them. It may pinch, it may latch briefly if disturbed, but it cannot survive on a human. It cannot feed properly on human tissue, it cannot reproduce in a human body, and it cannot complete its life cycle in mammals. Without the right host, it simply dies. This parasite evolved over millions of years to specialize in fish. Its claws are shaped to grip gill arches, its body size matches fish mouths, and its feeding strategy depends on fish blood flow patterns. Evolution makes parasites extremely specific. Jumping from fish to humans would require massive biological changes, and there is no evidence this species can do that. So is there any risk at all? If you're swimming in the ocean, no realistic danger. If you're eating properly cooked fish, zero risk. If you handle raw infected fish, at worst you might feel a small pinch if it's alive, but it cannot replace your tongue, live inside your mouth, or turn you into a host. That horror scenario is pure nightmare fuel, not medical reality. So why does this question feel so scary? Because parasites that alter body parts trigger something deep in human psychology: loss of control, invasion, body horror. But most parasites are highly specialized. They don't randomly jump between species. Nature may be brutal, but it's also precise. And while this tongue-eating parasite isn't a threat to humans, other parasites can infect people, usually through contaminated water, undercooked meat, or insect bites. So the real risk isn't ocean tongue thieves, it's poor hygiene and unsafe food handling. So can the tongue-eating louse infect humans? No. It's terrifying. It's real. It replaces fish tongues, but it is not built for us. You are not on its menu. Nature pushes evolution to shocking extremes, but sometimes the scariest creatures are only monsters in someone else's world.
The world is full of terrifying truths and even bigger myths. Subscribe for more science behind the fear. Stay curious.